Hey guys, so we're gonna start out by measuring the area that you're gonna use for your wording. So yeah, you could do this with a ruler if you don't have a measuring tape. So here I inserted a screen recording that I did creating it with my Cricut. A Cricut isn't needed. I'm sure you can find any custom vinyl wording on Etsy, but if you wanted to do it yourself, you just upload your wording into Cricut, and I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use a Cricut, but if not, you can also watch like an easy video here on YouTube to show you basically how to upload it and everything. So yeah, just continue to watch. Just resizing it here, and if you remember in the beginning, the platform was 1 inch in height, and then I was going to use 3 inches for the width. So since the platform is 1 inch, I went under 1 inch, and then I spread it out to be a little over 3 inches. So if we're doing this, I feel like the best spacing is exactly the space that I use here, which is 3 1/4 and I think by 0.85. So now you just load your vinyl onto your Cricut mat and then you start cutting. Here's two things. I'm using iron-on vinyl. You can use regular vinyl or you can use iron-on. I decided to use iron-on because I want it to be permanent. If you're using iron-on, make sure that you mirror your image because you're gonna lay it flat and iron on top. If you're using regular vinyl, you can just leave it and it's not going to even be an option to mirror it. So yeah, so now my Cricut is cutting out my words. So here I'm just cutting very close to all the space I use, just so I won't waste any excess vinyl. And then I'm just going to start weeding. Okay, so now you can see that I finished weeding and you see it's mirrored, so we're gonna flip it on top because remember this is an iron-on vinyl. So now I'm just pressing down on it so that, you know, it can kind of stick a little bit. It's a little hard because the material, but yeah, when you get it when you want it, just try to go over it with a credit card or a burnishing tool. So now this is the first time actually doing this and I was a little worried. So at first when I did it, I put parchment paper over it and then I used it on the lowest temp. The lowest temp did not work. You're gonna see me do it over again and then I'm gonna do it for the medium temp. If you don't have this tool, just play with your iron. Start with low and then keep going up to see, you know, how long it's gonna take to actually stick. So here I'm just checking it to make sure that everything is already laid on, and if you feel like, you know, some things aren't sticking, just go over it again. And then now I just went over it one good time with the parchment paper, and yeah, here's how it came out. I actually love how it came out. They look super cute. Never say this in my video, but if you like what you see, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any ideas or anything you want me to upload, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.